Elevate your PrestaShop store with the Addify Ultimate Product Pack, Mix and Match Bundle Module. Create customizable product bundles, apply fixed or percentage discounts, set quantity limits, and offer dynamic pricing based on customer selections. Perfect for increasing average cart value, promoting cross-sells, and enhancing the customer shopping experience. Go to the Module Manager in your PrestaShop admin panel. Search for Addify Ultimate Product Pack, Mix and Match Product Bundle Module. Click the Configure button to open the module settings. Navigate to the General Settings tab. Toggle the Enabled option to activate the module. Head over to the Pack Settings tab. To edit an existing product pack, click the Edit button. To create a new product bundle, click the plus button. Start from the Pack Settings tab. Enter a unique name for your bundle. Enable Activate Product Pack to make the bundle live. Add a description to highlight the bundle's content or value. Upload a custom logo or image to represent the pack on your storefront. In meta keywords, add SEO-friendly terms to boost discoverability. Set the pack quantity. Defines how many items are added to the cart. Choose a product page layout from drop-down: vertical box layout, vertical right box layout, horizontal layout. Generates a clean, SEO-friendly link for the bundle page. Let's move on to the Pricing Plan section. Assign a custom price to the entire product bundle. Set the tax status to specify if tax should be applied. Choose your preferred box pricing rule. Box price only. Apply a fixed price to the whole bundle. Added product prices only. Total price is based solely on selected items. Box price with added products. Price. Combine the base bundle price with individual product prices. Next, navigate to the Pack Products section. Set the minimum and maximum number of items allowed in the bundle. Choose box columns, 2 or 3, to control the bundle's visual layout. Select product columns, 2 or 3, applicable only for vertical layouts. Enable Showbox Item Price to display individual item prices. Disable to show only the total bundle price. Enable Allow Pre-fill box to autofill the bundle when a product is selected. Use the search bar to find and add products to the bundle. Set the minimum quantity for each product and optionally make it mandatory for purchase. Click Save to apply your settings. Let's go to the front end and see how the product bundle looks in action. Are you ready to create your own product bundles with Addify Ultimate Product Pack, Mix and Match Product Bundle? Thank you for